Hello, friends. Today, something truly heartwarming happened. As I was walking past the garbage bins near my building, I noticed a small movement beside one of them. When I looked closer, I saw a beautiful white cat sitting quietly next to the trash. It wasn't scared or aggressive. It looked calm and gentle. The moment our eyes met, it made the softest, sweetest sound I had ever heard from an animal. Its voice was so delicate and tender that it melted my heart instantly. The cat had the most stunning yellow eyes, bright and full of life. They sparkled in the daylight and gave it a curious yet calm expression. What made it even more unique was its tail. It was completely yellow, contrasting beautifully with its mostly white fur. Its coat wasn't very thick, but rather medium in length, soft-looking and slightly fluffy. It looked like it hadn't been cared for in a while, but still had an elegant charm. I couldn't believe such a lovely creature had ended up next to the garbage, unnoticed and alone. I gently reached out my hand, and to my surprise, it came closer, brushing against me as if it had known me for years. That moment felt magical, just pure connection and kindness. Finding that cat turned an ordinary day into something truly special. I felt a deep sense of peace and happiness just being near it. It's amazing how a simple encounter with an animal can lift your spirits and remind you of the beauty in small things. I'll never forget that soft voice, those golden eyes, and the warmth of that moment. It was, without a doubt, a wonderful day.